Hello all, I'm Dr. Siddharth Agarwal and today I'll walk you through step-by-step harvest of peroneus longus graft for multi-ligament knee reconstructions. First of all, with the foot in plantar flexion, we give an incision on the skin just a finger breadth behind the lateral malleolus. Incision is generally 2 to 3 centimeters in length. After dissecting through the subcutaneous tissue, we dissect out the fat. After clearing the fat, we can perform soft tissue dissection by artery forceps or clear the fat and soft tissues with the help of a gauze piece. There are two tendons in this region. One is peroneus longus and the tendon lying posterior to longus is peroneus brevis. We can see the peritoneum of the tendons in this video. We incise the peritoneum over the anterior tendon, that is the peroneus longus. After that, using a mixed or a 90-degree Leahy, we deliver the peroneus longus tendon outside the wound. If the tendon has a muscular fleshy attachments, there is a chance that it is peroneus brevis and not longus, and we should recheck our tendon. This tendon is relatively thick and has no or minimal muscular attachments to it. We take a Ethibond loop and pass it around the tendon. Shift the loop as distally as possible on the tendon. That way it becomes easier to deliver the tendon outside for passing the tendon stripper. Free the tendon of the soft tissue attachments, peritoneum and other lying fat and structures. I prefer to use an open tendon stripper as it gives me the freedom of detaching the tendon at a later stage. Passing the tendon stripper all along detaches the muscular attachments. The CPN is quite far from the tendon, so you need not worry about it while passing the tendon stripper. Pull on the tendon that will pull the foot into eversion and plantar flexion and deliver the maximum length of tendon outside. Using full stretch and having an assistant hold the foot in this position, cut the tendon as deep and far as possible. So you can close the skin and subcutaneous fascia in a standard fashion after delivering the tendon. This is the delivered length of tendon, which is approximately 29 to 32 centimeters and reasonably thick to have a good tendon. In case you still have any questions, feel free to contact me and ask them. Thank you.